After 1 month of waiting and being without my car, I'm finally getting my Tesla back. But what price will I need to pay for it? If you haven't seen the previous video, the part 1 basically where I'm covering why all of this happened, go and watch that first. But now, let me go to the Budapest. So, right now I'm in this Airbnb in Budapest because my Tesla is in the service center here in this city. Today is Sunday, which means the service center is closed, so I have to wait and pick up my Tesla tomorrow. If you ask why my car is here despite I'm from Slovakia, it's because in Slovakia we do not have any service centers at all. So to pick up my car I had to schedule 2 days to travel 200 kilometers to pick it up and then 200 to drive back. If anyone from Tesla is watching this video, we need your official support in Slovakia. Not Slovenia, not Czech Republic, but Slovakia. Don't want to be too optimistic about this trip, but I really like visiting some new places. So after the events from the first video, I received the estimated time of completion, which was the 17th November. And here comes the catch. The day had come and nothing really happened. Actually, nothing really happened a whole week after the day. So a week passed after the 17th of November and the estimated date in the app remained unchanged. I've tried to contact the service center multiple times, but it always ended up with this kind of fail.
Köszönjük, hogy felvette a kapcsolatot a Teslával. Az értékesítéshez nyomja meg az 1-es gombot. A szervizhez nyomja meg a 2-es gombot. Sajnos jelenleg minden ügynökünk elfoglalt, hogy segítsen más ügyfeleknek, de amint tudunk, válaszolunk hívására.
So they didn't pick up the phone for at least 2 days and I started to be annoyed because my car was in another country and I didn't even know for a whole week when I will be able to get it back. Finally, I've tried to call the Tesla support center and otherwise really nice guy told me that he cannot help me because I need to contact the service center in order to get this information. So now you see why I was annoyed. Fortunately, a day after this unfortunate phone call, I've got a message that confirmed a new and final day of my service appointment. So here I am today, waiting for tomorrow to get my car back after a whole month. So we are here at the Tesla service center in Budapest and I don't know why, but I feel kind of nervous, so wish me luck. So I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. My head is full of thoughts, so let me jump right to the studio where I can sum up this experience for you a little better. Let me now quickly sum up my very first Tesla service experience in a form of Q&A. Many people around me are asking these questions, so I thought that they might be also interesting for you. So what went wrong with your car? Basically, the main battery of my Model 3 died. On 18th October, I've noticed a warning message in my car that said that my range may be reduced, and 10 days after that, my car refused to charge and I was not really able to drive it anymore. How was the car transported to the service center? Well, I called Tesla support and they arranged the Tesla roadside assistance appointment for me. Since my car is still under warranty, they've picked it up and transported it all the way to Budapest for free. How long did it take to resolve the issue? Let me see. The service center accepted my request on 19th October, which was also the date when the main battery was ordered, and I picked it up on the 5th of December. That makes it 48 days in total, and out of these 48 days my car was in the service center for 33 days. What was the biggest issue with the Tesla service? I don't know why, but it's really a great challenge to contact the service center itself. Slovakia falls into the grey market, which not only means that we do not have any service centers at all here, but also the app is somehow limited. You see, when you live in a country where Tesla is officially present, you have the option to contact the service center directly from the app. This option was simply not there for me. Having my $50,000 car away for a month in another country and not being able to contact the service center is really close to not acceptable for me. How much did it all cost? This was my biggest concern. My car is still under warranty, but I was really afraid that I will be charged a full or at least half price of the new battery anyway. A few days ago, when I received the message that my car is ready, I've also received the final invoice. The cost of the replacement battery for my Model 3 was roughly 10,000 euros including tax. But fortunately for me, the replacement battery was free of charge because of the warranty. Besides replacing the main battery, they've also replaced some other parts in my car, like for example the smaller 12-volt battery, also under warranty. So that's it. Do I regret buying this car after this whole experience? No, not really. Among many other Tesla owners in my country, I was probably the first one, or at least one of the few, with this kind of problem. Otherwise, the car is reliable, it's well thought out, the technology is miles ahead of other EVs in this category, and it kind of feels different. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you have any more questions about my experience, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Also hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. So take care.